without main, children. Till 3 mains, what we used to do is, we used to substitute the given value of x or y, substitute in the polynomial and finding out whether it was 0 of polynomial or not. But in this main, they are asking us to find the 0 of a polynomial. What do we do here is, I will show you. First question is, p of x is equal to x plus 5. This is the given question. How do you find out the 0 of a polynomial? To find out 0 of a polynomial means we should find the number that when we substitute it in the place of x, we should get this p of that value to be 0. Alva. Now x ke one value kandidibeku. X ke a value substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x value ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ value ನಮಗೆ 0 ಆದರೆ ಆ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ x value ನ we call it as the 0 of the polynomial form, 0 of that polynomial. But we cannot keep on checking by trial and error. No, p of 0, no, p of 1, no, p of 2, no. Like that we cannot do and set. So what we have to do is substitute p of x ne 0 madbidona. P of x ne 0 madbidona. So henge andre, see now just look at it. Can if at all, what value if you substitute in place of x, the whole value 0 agutta, 1 agutta, 0 agutta, 2 agutta, 3 agutta? No, 5 agalla. 5 plus 5, 10. But if at all we substitute x is minus 5, 0 agattalva. Henge? If at all we substitute p of x is minus 5, x jagadal minus 5 haktivi, plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, 0 agutte. So x is equal to minus 5 is the 0 of polynomial. X plus 5 agate. So we cannot, this problem is easy, so directly we did. But next problems under future, can you sit and find out by trial and error method? No, we cannot. So what we do is substitute p of x to be equal to 0. So whatever the given expression that you write, here x plus 5 is given. So I wrote x plus 5. Equate it to 0. Andre p of x jagadalli we are substituting 0. X plus 5 is 0 andre what is x? Simplify. Plus 5 na LHS kalisidre, sorry RHS kalisidre, it becomes minus 5. Correct? X is equal to minus 5 is the 0 of a, he very quick sentence for each and every problem. X is equal to minus 5 is the 0 of a polynomial. ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸಿ minus 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ, ಫಸ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ actual thing how you need to do is this method. Hope you have understood. Similarly we'll solve the rest of the problems. Second question, p of x is x minus 5. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus 5 ಇದಲ್ಲ, x ಗೆ minus 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minus 5 plus 5 0 ಅಂತ we understood. Here minus 5 is there. So if you substitute x is equal to plus 5 and plus 5 minus 5 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That you cannot directly tell. What you do is write whatever the expression, equate it to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 na RHS kalisidre plus 5. So x is equal to plus 5 is the 0 of a polynomial. That's all. Easy now children. Equate to 0 and do. That's all. Third question, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Write the expression 2x plus 5 as it is, equate it to 0. If 2x plus 5 is 0, what is 2x? Plus 5 na RHS kalisidre it becomes minus 5. What is x? Minus 5. Multiplication idre, see if only if multiplication is there, if at all you send it to other side, you should do division. If addition or subtraction is there, then the sign changes. Plus idre minus agate, minus idre plus agate. But multiplication idre divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, division idre multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into x multiplication is. So x 5 by 2x is minus 5 by 2. Check ಮಾಡಿ. See, you can do verification also. Now we got x is equal to minus 5 by 2 alva. Let us substitute in place of x and check. p of minus 5 by 2. 2 hange ಬರೀತೀನಿ. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ what should I substitute? Minus 5 by 2 plus 5 as it is. See, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Minus 5 plus 5 which is equal to 0. Hence the value of x what we got by simplifying is correct. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of a polynomial. You need not do this verification, just to make you understand I show. If at all in test or exam when doing, you will find it out. You are feeling doubt, mean you are doubtful whether it is correct or not. Andre ಈಗ plus minus sign ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you just substitute here. If you get 0, what you find out is correct. If not, it is wrong. You can retry with some other values. That is about the third one. Fourth question. P of x is 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is minus 2, when you send to the other side it becomes plus 2. X is 2 divided by 3. So x is equal to 2 divided by 3 is the 0 of a polynomial. Easy problems, children. Easy exercise, both 4.1 and 4.2. So I am finishing it in one day. I want you to complete the classwork as well simultaneously. Fifth question is P of x is equal to 3x. Here only one term, my monomial is given. Just equate it to 0. What is x? 0 divided by 3 agata. Is there any 0 divided by 3? No, it is undefined. So leave it as it is. X is equal to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. Alba x ke 0 madidre 3 zeros is 0 agate. So x is equal to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. Sixth question. P of x is equal to a into x, where a is not equal to 0. A value is not equal to 0. Here no such conditions were given, so we wrote x is equal to 0. But here condition is given that a is not equal to 0. So a into x is equal to 0 andre x is equal to what? 0 by a agate. But a is not equal to 0 means it may be 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, anything. What will you do? X is equal to 0 means if you substitute in place of x 0, then only this whole term, whatever a is not equal to 0 is given. A may be 2, 3, 4, 100, anything. That anything into 0 is 0 only. So you need not worry. Leave it as it is. Next we shall move to 7th problem. How many are there? Our last problem. 7th question. P of x is cx plus d. P of x is cx plus d. One condition is given. C is not equal to 0. C and d are real numbers. I will just represent it by capital letter R. R is real number. No? So C not equal to 0 and C and D are real numbers. So whatever let them give, don't worry. Cx plus d is equal to 0 is our work. So Cx will be plus d. If you send to the other side, it becomes minus d. Multiplication is there. So x is minus d divided by c is the 0 of a polynomial. Henge idu anta niಮಗೆ doubt bandre, I will verify it and show you since it is last problem. X jagadal in this expression, I should substitute the value I got, which is minus d by c. P of minus d by c is c as it is. I'll write in place of x, I should substitute minus d by c plus d as it is. See here, c gets cancelled. P of minus d by c is minus d plus d. What is minus d plus d? 0. So P of minus d by c is equal to 0 andre x is equal to minus d by c is the 0 of a polynomial. That is what we have found it out. This is how you solve, children. So be careful with the signs. See, on the concept of 0 of polynomials only, there are 4 possible ways of asking the question. You can see the different methods in all the 4 means of this exercise 4.2, children. So this is very, very easy. As I said, you will not be sending any notes further for the maths. As and when I do, you please solve in your classwork as well. And if any definitions or anything required, I will mark in the video only as I did in the beginning of this chapter. So this completes exercise 4.2. Studied the concept of polynomial and 0 of a polynomial and solved the 2 exercise. Next you have the remainder theorem, which is very, 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 very important and it is very interesting as well. We shall solve in the next session, children. Till then, complete your classwork and keep your classwork ready by the time I send you the next video. Take care, children.